Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and responsible world of sustainable interior design. As we all become more aware of our planet's health, eco-conscious living is moving from a niche trend to a mainstream lifestyle. It is all about creating spaces that are not only stylish and functional but also kind to the environment. Sustainable interiors can reduce our environmental impact, boost our health, and create homes that feel both meaningful and built to last. So, if you're ready to transform your home into a beautiful, healthy, and future-ready sanctuary, stick around. We're going to walk you through a clear, step-by-step process to bring sustainable design into your life. First, let's talk about why this shift is so important. It goes far beyond just being green. At its core, sustainable design is about health and well-being. Think about it, we spend so much of our time indoors. Sustainable interiors prioritize non-toxic materials, paints with low or zero volatile organic compounds or VOCs, and better ventilation. These choices drastically improve our indoor air quality, which can reduce allergies and respiratory issues. This is especially crucial for households with children, elderly family members, or anyone with health sensitivities. A healthy home is a happy home, and sustainability is the foundation for creating that healthy environment. Next, consider the environmental preservation aspect. Traditional interior design has often relied on materials that harm our planet, non-renewable resources, plastics, and finishes loaded with harsh chemicals. Sustainable design flips the script. It focuses on using materials that are renewable, recycled, or responsibly sourced. By making these choices, we actively help conserve our precious natural resources, reduce pollution, and minimize our home's environmental footprint. It's a powerful way to make a positive impact right from your living room. And what about your wallet? Many people think sustainable products are just expensive. While some items might have a higher upfront cost, they are built for the long haul. Think superior durability, better energy efficiency, and lower maintenance. Over time, this translates into real savings on your energy bills, fewer replacements, and less money spent on repairs. It's a smart investment not just for the planet, but for your long-term financial well-being. Finally, there's the ethical and social responsibility that comes with sustainable design. This movement champions ethical manufacturing, fair labor practices, and transparent supply chains. When you choose furniture and decor with recognized certifications, you raise supporting companies that respect workers' rights and are open about how their products are made. It's about ensuring that the beauty in our homes doesn't come at a human cost. Alright, now for the fun part. How do you actually do it? Let's get into our step-by-step guide. Step 1 is all about materials. This is the bedrock of sustainable design. You want to choose materials that are renewable, biodegradable, recycled, or reclaimed. Let's look at a few stars. First up, bamboo. It's one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, making it an incredibly renewable resource. It's also super strong, durable, and naturally resistant to pests, making it perfect for flooring, furniture, and decorative pieces. Another fantastic material is cork. It's harvested from the bark of cork oak trees without ever cutting them down. The bark just grows back. Cork is renewable, lightweight, and a great natural insulator. It feels wonderful underfoot as flooring and also works great for wall coverings or pinboards, adding comfort and quiet to a room. And of course, there's wood. Wood is a classic for a reason. It stores carbon and has a much lower environmental footprint than materials like concrete or steel. For the ultimate sustainable choice, look for reclaimed wood from old barns or buildings. Or ensure your new wood is certified by the Forest Stewardship Council or FSC. Reclaimed wood, in particular, adds so much warmth, texture, and character to a space, telling a story all its own. Step 2. Get creative with upcycling and repurposing. Before you throw something away, ask yourself, can this be something else? Upcycling is the art of turning old or discarded items into new, functional, and stylish pieces. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste and let your creativity shine. For example, an old dresser can become a unique bookshelf or a kitchen island. A vintage door can be transformed into a stunning headboard or a coffee table. Old window frames can be fitted with mirrors for a rustic wall feature. Even old clothes or fabric scraps can be repurposed into cushion covers or decorative throws. Upcycled furniture adds a one-of-a-kind personality to your home that you just can't buy in a store. Step 3 is a big one. Improve your home's energy efficiency. This is one of the most impactful and cost-effective changes you can make. It dramatically reduces your carbon emissions and, you guessed it, lowers your utility bills. The easiest switch is lighting. Swap out all your old incandescent bulbs for LEDs. They use a fraction of the energy and last for years. You can also install smart thermostats and lighting systems to optimize energy use, so you're only using power when you need it. And don't underestimate the power of natural light. When planning your layout, think about how you can maximize daylight. Use mirrors and light-colored paint to reflect light and make your space feel brighter and more open, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Step 4. Select natural and non-toxic finishes. The paint on your walls and the finishes on your furniture can release harmful chemicals, known as VOCs, into your air for years. To avoid this, always choose low VOC or zero VOC paints. For wood furniture, look for natural finishes like oils or waxes, and opt for water-based stains and varnishes. When you need adhesives or sealants for projects, check the labels to make sure they are free from toxic compounds. These choices protect the health of everyone in your home and prevent harmful chemicals from polluting the environment. Now for step 5, incorporate biophilic design. This is a fancy term for a simple, beautiful idea strengthening the connection between our indoor spaces and the natural world. Humans have an innate need to connect with nature, and bringing it indoors has proven benefits for our mental well-being. It can reduce stress, improve focus, and even purify the air. The easiest way to do this is with indoor plants and vertical gardens. Also, using natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan helps create that earthy, calming vibe. And as we mentioned, maximizing natural light with large windows or sheer curtains reinforces that connection to the outdoors. Step 6 is about the fabrics you choose. Textiles play a huge role in the look and feel of a room, from your sofa to your curtains to your rugs. For a sustainable choice, look for organic cotton. It's grown without harmful pesticides. Linen and hemp are also fantastic options. They are durable, breathable, and require much less water to grow than conventional cotton. You can also find beautiful textiles made from recycled materials, giving new life to old resources. These fabrics are not only better for the planet but are often more durable and healthier for you. Step 7. Embrace minimalist design. Now, minimalism isn't about living in a stark, empty box. It's about intentional living. It's about choosing quality over quantity and reducing excess. By having less stuff, you naturally consume fewer materials and create less waste. This philosophy encourages you to invest in high-quality, multifunctional furniture that will stand the test of time, rather than filling your home with fleeting trends. The result is a cleaner, more organized, and more functional space that feels calm and uncluttered. Step 8 is something we can all do easily: save water with efficient fixtures. Water conservation is a critical part of a sustainable lifestyle. Upgrading to low-flow showerheads and faucets is a simple change that can make a huge difference. These fixtures can reduce your water usage by up to 70% without sacrificing water pressure. Installing a water-efficient toilet is another smart move. These small upgrades will lower your environmental impact and your water bill month after month. Step 9. Choose eco-friendly wallpapers. If you love the decorative impact of wallpaper, you don't have to give it up. Just choose wisely. Sustainable wallpapers are typically made from recycled paper or paper from responsibly managed forests. More importantly, they are printed using non-toxic, water-based inks instead of the chemical-heavy inks used in conventional wallpapers. This means you can get a stylish, patterned wall without compromising your indoor air quality. Finally, step 10. Prioritize certified sustainable products. With so many companies greenwashing their products, how can you be sure you're making a genuinely sustainable choice? This is where certifications come in. Look for trusted labels that verify a product's claims. For buildings and interiors, there's LEED certification. For products, look for Cradle to Cradle, which assesses a product's entire life cycle. And for wood products, the FSC or Forest Stewardship Council certification is the gold standard, ensuring the wood comes from responsibly managed forests. These labels are your shortcut to making choices you can trust. So there you have it. Sustainable design is a thoughtful journey that blends environmental responsibility, well-being, and timeless style. By selecting the right materials, upcycling, improving energy efficiency, and choosing certified products, you can create a home that is not only beautiful but also healthy, mindful, and ready for the future. Eco-conscious living truly starts at home, and every small step you take makes a difference. Your living space can be a reflection of your care for yourself, your family, and our beautiful planet. Thanks so much for watching.